Hi, thank you for joining me at 501 Brady Lofts in Davenport, Iowa. I am going to give you a virtual tour of a one-bedroom apartment that we have here. This unit is number 101. You've got quite a bit of storage in this unit. Right off the bat, when you enter, you have a coat closet. It's a full-size closet. Goes down quite a bit of ways and over. You've got nice industrial features at 501 Brady. Industrial lighting. Exposed vents for your heating and cooling system. To the right, you've got additional storage as well. You've got the full-size washer and dryer. There's additional shelving to the right. Each apartment comes equipped with their own modem. So internet is easily accessible once you come in and pick your package upon move-in. All of the flooring here at 501 Brady is polished concrete flooring. To the right we have the bathroom. You've got your vanity area. I love these vanities. They have pull-out drawers, which offers an abundance of space. These brackets here are adjustable, so you can adjust them according to your needs. So 2 drawers, full-size drawers in these vanities with the adjustable brackets. This unit has a stand-up tiled shower, full-size shower. You've got a double rack towel bar. Additional shelving here for linens. This would come out to the kitchen and living room area. The kitchen does have an island. There's additional counter space so you can tuck some bar stools under there. It's got the full appliance package with stainless steel appliances, offering a refrigerator with an automatic ice maker. You've got electric ovens and stoves, above the range microwaves, dishwashers. Your sinks come with garbage disposals. They also have pull-out nozzles, which is great for rinsing dishes. You do have adjustable shelving in all of your cabinets, which is a nice feature. Got a huge living room area space. This does come with all of the window coverings. A lot of natural lighting throughout this apartment. Kind of walk you around and give you another angle. Off to the left over here, we have your 1 bedroom. This has an abundance of space in this room as well. You've got a little nook for added space. The bedrooms do have ceiling fans. This bedroom comes with a closet that is pretty lengthy. Goes from wall to wall. So this is a 1-bedroom at 501 Brady in Davenport, Iowa. Thank you for joining me.